for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply left fade. Oh, but I don't close the door.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shayna J here. So today's video is going to be on this hair right here. So if you want to know what hair that I'm rocking, just keep on watching. So this hair was sent to me by a company called Ishow hair. I will leave all of their information down in the description box below. I have in their Peruvian water wave texture. I have in 226 inches, a 24, a 22, and a 20-inch lace closure. And yeah, this is what the hair looks like. Now mind you, this hair is not wet, guys, but it gives off the wet look. Again, this is their Peruvian water wave texture, and I asked them for this texture because I never had water wave before and I wanted to see what it was about. And honestly guys, I really do love this hair. I have had this hair for about 2 weeks and I wanted to just get a feel for it, so I have worn it every single day for 2 weeks straight. And I wanted to just get a feel for it and know what kind of products that I needed to use with it, what was best for this particular hair, what kind of you know, styling products I needed, if any, and all that good stuff. So yeah, this is the hair. Again, it is by Ishow. So the hair came in this pink box right here that says Ishow on it. It says 100% human hair, and then it has Ishow, like the little sticker right here. On the back of the box there are care instructions, you know, just basically how most vendors you know, package their hair. The box is actually really sturdy. Ishow is a vendor that has their own website, so again, I will leave everything down in the description box down below so that you guys can go ahead and check it out if you guys want to purchase this hair. Now again, this is their Peruvian water wave, and guys, this hair is so freaking nice. This hair is not wet at all. This hair is not wet. It is just really moisturized with the products that I use, and I will show you guys what I used to, you know, achieve this wet look. So again, this is 26 inches, and I'm gonna stand up so that you guys can see the length on me. As you guys can see, it is true to length. It is quite long. It's actually a little bit longer than 20 inches because it goes down past my waist. So this is what it's looking like. Super pretty, super full, and I really do enjoy this hair. Now I did take a couple of notes for the 2 weeks that I had this hair in, just so that I can be as informative as possible, so that you guys can know what you guys are spending your coin on. So I covered the type of hair, the inches that I had. The shipping was super fast. It came in 2 days, and I thought that was absolutely amazing. There's very minimal shedding in a second, but yeah, very minimal shedding, and there's no tangling in this hair whatsoever. I'm not gonna go ahead and run my fingers through my hair just because I just defined the curls, so I don't want to do that. The reason why I didn't go ahead and show you guys how I define my curls on camera is simply because I do not like the feeling of wet hair on me, and I also feel like the hair dries better when it's like hung up or hanging on a mannequin head. It just decreases like the chance of frizziness, because if you have it on your head and it's wet already on your head and you're waiting for it to air dry or whatever the case may be, while it's like rubbing on you, it's getting like frizzier and bigger, and it's not really getting a chance to kind of form the curls the way you see it on my head right now. So what I used is just regular water in a spray bottle. Nothing is in here, no conditioner or anything. It's just regular water, and this is actually a new product that I've tried and I absolutely freaking love. I've been using it with this hair, and I'm actually gonna get the bigger version. So here it is. This is the mini travel size version, and I think I paid like $2 or $3 for it, and I am honestly going to go out and buy the full size because it's absolutely amazing. This stuff is so good. like, as you can see, like I said, my hair is not wet at all. My hair is completely dry, and it leaves it so moisturized, and it smells so good, and it doesn't leave any type of like greasy feel to it. It's lightweight. It is just an amazing product. Yeah, this is literally all I use in this hair: water and this Carol's Daughter hair milk. It's amazing. This stuff is super good, and I really like the fact that I don't have to use a lot of products in this hair. It did take me a little bit of time to go ahead and see what works for this hair, but like I said, I've worn this hair every single day for 2 weeks straight, and I do have a good idea of what works for this hair. And as you can see, this hair looks so freaking good. Like, the hair is beautiful, it's soft, it doesn't tangle, it barely sheds. This is really good hair. So yeah, that's really all that I have for this review. I just wanted to come and show you guys what I was working with this hair, because I did get a lot of questions on what hair it was, but I didn't want to say anything until I went ahead and had the hair for a while, because once again, I want to make sure that you guys you know, get what you pay for and get, you know, a lot of bang for your buck. So again, I will leave all the information to Ishow Hair down in the description box below. If you guys are wondering about this makeup look, I did film this makeup look, so yay me, coming through with the videos. So I think that'll be up after this video, because I do want to get this video out first. And yeah, that is all that I have for this particular video. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, guys. I love you guys so much. Leave a comment down below, just, you know, saying whatever, you know, what kind of videos you want me to do, if you like this hair, if you like this makeup, all that good stuff. So yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.